Kachupapis! Welcome back to my vlog! Medyo mahaba. Wala tayo magagawa. Mahaba na yung ano. Humaba na siguro yung pasensya ko kaya humaba na yung intro. Anyway mga Kachupapis, kauwi lang ng aking husband. Be, you're going back to your work?
No, I'm done.
That's good. It's only 12, Mga kachupa, pupunta kami sa Anne's Noodles. Let's see if masarap yung ano. Finally, for sure, sa tingin ko naman, hindi na sila sarado. So, tignan natin kung anong mga pagkain nandun. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Pero kinain ko na yung chicharon. Tinira ko na yung chicharon. Kasi nagutom na ako ng mga 11. Sakto 12 na. So, tikman natin yung Anne's Noodles. Bagong bukas kasi yun, mga kachupa. Tignan ko kung masarap ba yung ano lang pho. Masarap ba yung mga Thailand food nila doon. Or Hmong food. Diba? Mga kachupa, kakatas ko lang din maglinis ng aming bahay. Nilinis ko na yung aming living room. Ayan. Ang ganda ng aming lamesa, no? Actually, lahat ng gamit dito, puro ano lang to. Puro bigay. Puro free. Nakukuha lang namin sa internet. Ayan. Etong cabinet na to, free lang din. Diba? Ang bigat na ito mga kachupa, At saka siya, perfect. Ito lang yata yung binili. Etong desk ko. Kasi nabili namin to sa online, IKEA. So, pinadeliver pa namin. So, ayun lang yung nabili namin. Oh, yeah. So, pupunta na tayo mga kachupa. Malapit lang naman dito yun sa amin. I'm gonna wear like this.
You should probably change your pants.
Nakapag-jama ka sa mga kachupa. Okay, papalit lang ako. You forgot your wallet?
No, I just put it.
Kiki. You put Kiki inside?
Yeah. Good. Put him in this room already. He's like, no! Why?
Umiyak na naman si Kiki. Buti na lang tapos na ako maglinis mga kachupa. Makain na kami. Tagal ko nang nagkikrave dun sa na yun. Sa food na yun. Dito na ako nagpalit mga kachupa. And then our neighbor is in there looking at my panty. Tinamad na. Kasi bukas yung namin dito sa kwarto. Let's go!
Who brought these, honey?
Yeah.
Why she got so many?
I think your mom. Baby, I didn't put some my ring because my finger getting.
What's wrong?
Oh, it's
hurting.
Cat. Yeah.
Take a break.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, actually, papunta na tayo. Iniwan ko yung
Make sure you put it in a safe place.
Yeah. I cleaned all the windows, ha?
See, it's very clean, right?
Nalinis ko yung aming mga salamin dito sa kasi dirty na. Mga kachupa, yung aming weather, makulimlim na naman. Yun siya. Makulimlim yung aming weather for today's video. Yung aking neighbor, nasira yata yung sasakyan nila kaya ginagawa nila.
Look at all the ants.
Yeah.
Putting holes in there.
Thank you. Princess, talaga yun. Pinagbubukas talaga. Thank you for always opening the door for me.
Of course. Ants are starting to make me mad.
Kakain tayo ng, I think, after we eat, this is one meal. I only eat one meal a day. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya pagka nagpa-fasting ako mga kachopa. Actually, napapasukan ako ng demonyo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero alam mo, itatry ko ulit mag-fasting. Para pagka pumasok yung demonyo sa isip ko, lalabanan ko na talaga. Kasi naalala ko, diba, Jesus fasting 40 days, diba? Right?
Jesus fasted 40 days and 40 nights.
And then, the devil was trying to put something on his mind, right?
So the devil was trying to tempt him.
Yeah.
That,
So parang ganun na talaga, no?
If you're truly the Son of God,
So-
you can turn those rocks into bread. And you can get water out of the ground. And if you forget about everything and you follow me, I'm going to give you all the kingdom in the world or something like that.
Yeah.
But Jesus didn't listen to him. I don't know why he would be trying to convince Jesus when he clearly knows that Jesus is God. But I guess he's God, but he's
Maybe
not.
he doesn't know that Jesus is God.
No, he knows. That's why he's trying to kill him. He's trying to turn him against the Father. He is God, but he's only, I guess, when they say the Trinity, I guess it just means he's part of God. You know, they say he's always praying for us.
Yeah. Ang
He's
ganda
in
makachupa.
heaven.
Kulay pink yung kanilang trio. Ayun o. It's so beautiful.
Even though the Father's so angry and he said,
Uh-huh.
you know, they sin, the penalty is death.
Yeah.
You know, but he's like, you know, the one that always defending us, praying for us, and saying, I've already paid for the sins, let them go. So that's why you must follow him.
Nakakaano lang mga kachupa kasi pagka, ito one day pa lang ako nag-fasting pero dahil parang pinasukan na talaga ako ng ng masamang elemento. Kaya ayoko na, minsan iniisip ko na ayoko mag-fasting pero gusto ko talagang i-try mga kachupa kasi para why we fasting? So that way our spirit will
When you do not feed the body, you start to feed the spirit. That's what Christians
ganun
believe, that when you
pala.
fast, you feed the spirit. Plus, you also allow the body to heal.
Yeah.
So when it heals your body, at the same time, it also heals your spirit. And healing your spirit is giving your spirit food, giving your
pala.
spirit strength.
Ay, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of cars eh.
Everybody's going there.
Chupa, andito na kami. Sabi ko sa inyo, madali lang. Mabilis lang.
Opening.
Actually, to mga kachupa, pwede namin lakarin to.
Everybody's coming for lunch.
Ang ganda ng aming weather ngayon, no? Makulimlim, pero hindi siya malamig, hindi siya mainit.
Well, let's hope it's good. If it's good, it'll be our new favorite place.
We're not going to, Shibugan anymore.
No place to park.
Ala, no first. How we gonna do that then?
Find a place to park.
Where we gonna park?
No place to park back here.
I already removed my my seatbelt.
I don't suppose I can park over here.
In front, huh? You can do here.
No, I cannot park here. Put your seatbelts back on. These people are parked all the way over here and they're gonna walk back over there to go. This is a one.
Alabi, this is Sunny School, oh. Ay, kachupa, andyan yung aking stepdaughter ngayon kasi may pasok sila ngayon. Ang ganda ng school dito mga kachupa. Para siyang, tag dito, castle. Ayun mga kachupa, para siyang castle. Pakita ko sa inyo. Let's go! Is it allowed to park here? It's very far, Ayan mga kachupa, oh. Para siyang castle.
No other. It's a grand opening. There's lots of people.
But it's already done. The grand opening was 24. Today is was date today 29.
Maybe it's really good. People just keep coming back.
Yes. There's a car.
Not just one grand opening. Like 2 weeks.
Ay mga chupa, yung mga coaching yan napunta dun sa restaurant na pupuntahan namin. Ay, nang pinark natin, B. Ay, it's okay. We can walk. Mga kachupa, ang ganda ng neighbor namin, no? Ang ganda ng bahay.
What does your subscriber think that your husband always talks so much? If they just hear mine.
My subscriber, they like you.
They don't think I talk too much? I think so.
Tatanong niya kung nagsasalita ba siya ng
Because I see that the other videos you're watching,
talk too much.
their spouse is so quiet.
Yeah.
They didn't say anything. They don't even look into the camera. They act like, get away from me. I never asked for this. You made me.
Hey, you're talkative eh. You're very talkative. That's what I like.
That's what Honey and Danny got it from too when they're young, but now they're not so much.
Yeah. Let's go. Dito na kami makachupa. Why? Ay, ang ganda. That's cute. Parang si Honey, Obi.
Honey bees. That's how they were when they were younger.
You're so fun. So cute.
We've got eggs.
I think now it's better, ha? It's very clean. Kakachuka, tignan niyo yung plants nila. Oh, ang ganda. I wanna see. Can I check?
Yeah, of course.
Ganda. Saan kaya nila yung ginawa? Tikman natin mga kachupa yung ating buko. It tastes like a wine.
Does it?
Maybe because of this.
Check it out. It's a sweet flower.
This is not real buko.
It's probably like a mixed drink. That's it.
So, dito na yung aming order. Ito yung, what's this called? Thai.
It's a Thai beef pho.
And then we have egg rolls. I like the, what's it called? Bowl.
Yeah, it's supposed to keep it hot.
Yeah.
Why don't you center it so you can move this aside? This is just like condiments. We just add.
Yes. Kaya tayo makachupa. Meron tayong chopstick dito. Ang tagal ko na nag-crave dito. Ano to? What is this? What is this?
It's probably some kind of a...
bok choy.
It's not bok choy. It's kind of like a water spinach.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Lagyan natin ng ganito. Very, very delicious. And then, put some lime.
I think you're addicted to pho now.
Masarap naman eh, di ba? Delicious, di ba?
Sarap.
Sarap. Let's try. I think this one is better.
It's better?
Yeah.
You want to try the other stuff too?
I want to put some chili sauce.
It's going to be a little bit spicy. That's chili oil, I believe, but taste a little bit first, see if you like it.
And then what else I'm going to put?
You want spicy? You can get the chili sauce here. Try the hoisin sauce.
This one.
The beef paste, if you want it to be more beefy, It's supposed to increase the flavor of the broth. It's really on there.
I think it's new. What is this? And then what else?
I wish I had peanuts. I guess they don't have peanuts. Did you try some of the hoisin sauce?
Huh?
Did you try some of the hoisin sauce?
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
That one.
That one.
This is just soy sauce.
Okay. Try this one. Yay! Let's try. It's delicious. So delicious.
What would you rate it?
10.
10? You serious? Okay. Done?
Put some like this, Bill. That's better. I'm gonna order that one again. Like it? Like it? What do you rate?
Thank you.
Wow. That's cool. Wait, can you open this? What is this? Sticky rice?
It's sticky rice. They serve it in a nice little container to preserve it.
That's cool. Wow.
This is just regular sticky rice.
Ah, it's not purple one.
Yeah, but it's still good. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
We're taking this little thing home. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, try. Taste it.
Alright, let's do it. It's so good.
How do you rate it?
9 out of 10.
So this one is more delicious.
I like the one at the Manila restaurant.
Ah.
The one at the Manila restaurant?
Sarap ah. Try natin egg rolls.
And that's what it's supposed to taste like.
Sarap ng egg rolls nila. Nangalay pa tayo ng ganyan. Thank you. Kain muna kami mga kachupo. Enjoy muna namin to habang mainit pa.
Tell your brother, yeah.
They don't have barbecue chicken, but this is definitely good.
Yeah.
There is some.
Makacho pa talaga. Ang cute. No? Tagay ng kanin. Ang cute mo. Tagay yung siomay. It's kind of like dumplings, no?
I use it for that too, for one serving.
But we cannot go. We cannot bring this one. Mga chupa, ito yung kanilang park. Ang sarap.
Would you mind if one of Chris and I would share this? Sure. Great.
And we laugh.
Is it good?
Mga chupa, meron akong take out. Ayan, magbabayad na kami. Umuulan na mga kasyupa. Kinuha ng asawa ko yung kanyang sasakyan. Medyo malayo kasi yung kanyang parking. So, antayin ko sa rito. Yes! Hi! 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 Did you go there?
No, I went over there so I can come back. Because if I come here,
Yeah, I saw you.
That way.
I saw you.
Yeah, I didn't want to go back that way, so I went that way so I can come over here.
It's rainy. Mga kasyupa ganito.
Their prices are actually not bad either.
How much?
It was only like $42.
Oh,
Yeah, considering all the food that we got.
I'm full.
We got the drink.
Or maybe because we only bought two meal. No.
But it was still pretty good.
Yeah.
$42? That's like $2,000.
Yeah, we didn't order extra. But when we go to Thai restaurant, Thai cafe, we always buy a lot. That's why.
But the Thai cafe costs twice as much.
Really?
Yeah. I think we order very similar. It's not that much more. But it's like $80.
$80.
I mean, but their portion is big too, so it's okay. It's good.
Mga kachupa, uwi na kami. Very why your car is very, very blurry?
Because it's raining. But I'm going to turn on the AC so it's going to clear it up.
Okay.
Sometimes when it's raining like this, it's kind of warm inside, cold on the outside.
And
Then it gets
squirrel.
foggy.
It's a squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Ano kachupa yung color pink na na tree. Ang ganda, parang fake. Pero totoo yun mga kachupa. Dito kami sa aming neighbor. Buti na lang malapit nga lang yung aming I was about to tell you that we should walk because it's good, it's sunny. But it's not.
Not anymore. I knew it was going to rain because it was a little cloudy before.
Yeah.
Usually when it's sunny, then it doesn't rain, but it's raining today.
Masarap siya mga kachupa. Kung tagal dito kayo, malapit sa amin, try nyo tong Ann's Noodles. Sila rin yung may-ari ng Ann's Market dito sa amin.
I think this is the year of the snake.
Why?
Usually the year of the snake, there's going to be
It's
a lot of
not. It's
rain.
not a snake today.
What year is it?
I forgot.
I think it is the year of the snake.
Dragon.
It's a dragon? I don't think it's dragon. Dragon is last year.
It's supposed to be rain because it's May. So,
I don't know. I mean, it's almost June. It should not really rain anymore.
it is. Sometimes in the first week of June, it's still raining. Mga kachupa, nandito na kami. Nandito na kami mga kachupa. Ayan na. Dito na kami. Finally, my craving is satisfied. Is it correct? My English correct?
Cravings essential, I guess. Okay, I'll let you go.
I'm gonna run. Takbo ka, chupa. Ay, mga chupa. Yung aming bahay, unti-unti na lang gumaganda na, no? Dahil sa kakakalinis ko. Oh, diba? Dati ang pangit-pangit, ngayon ganda-ganda na. Halatang may nag-aalaga na talaga yung garden, yung mga grass. Wait! Hala! Hala! Honest close!
too late now. Even if we take it inside, it's already wet, so we'll leave it.
He should put it here. He's raw. I'm gonna change it.
Yeah, you can do that. Bring some hangers and put it on the hanger.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I told Honey to put hanger. She doesn't know what hanger is.
It's okay. There
Meow!
it is.
Meow! Medyo umuulan kasi ngayon dito. Isampay natin siya dito. Buti lang mga kasupa, gumawa ako ng sampayan dito. Ito ginawa ko. Kasi pagka sinampay ko to sa loob, magkukulob to, mga ngamoy kulob. Nilaban niya kasi ito kahapon. Sabi ko lagyan ng hanger. Hindi niya alam yung hanger. Kasi nga hindi sila pinapalo ng hanger mga kasupa. Dos na pinapalo sa kanila. Pero mga kasupa, sira lahat ng hanger namin sa sobrang kakulitan ko. Sira lahat ng hanger namin plastic dahil pinagagano sa akin ng nanay ko. Ay mga kasupa, hanggang dito lang yung ating vlog. Ang ganda ng ating panahon. Masarap magkape. Ayan o. Very satisfied yung ating pho. Ganun po siya big kasi. Akala ko dati basa doon. Po. Yung pa, pho pala. Dapat pala F. Ganun pala yung mga So, nung nalaman ko siyang basahin na, anong pho? Di ba dapat po? Kasi di ba PHO? Ang basa pala doon is, pho. So, yun nakakatsupa. Mag-ano muna kami. Liwaliw muna kami ng asawa ko. Yun lang. God bless. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung ating video. And, ang aking lavender mga katsupa, ganda na, sabi ko sa inyo, unti-unti nagkakaroon na siya ng mga hulma, nagkakaroon na siya ng signature ni Winnie. Gulat ka dyan, may mga na strawberry na nagbabaksakan, diba? Ay naku mga pagsasabi ko. Yun lang mga katsupa, thank you for always watching. God bless.